A delicate hairpin will be made from this metatarsal cow bone. First, the bone carver saws off the unusable joint ends in order to take out the marrow. A smelly job that is preferably done out in the open air.
Nimis ole.
Finis coronat opus, cetero mereo.
Sic est, et pecunia non ole.
After the marrow is removed, the bone is cooked to clean it and to get most of the grease out. When the bones are completely boiled out, the bone carver brings them to his shop to continue working. On the cutting block, he splits the bones into single sticks.
Bene.
Now he goes to the workbench. The rough shape is worked with a rasp. The finer one with a file. The bone stick slowly turns into a hairpin.
Bene.
Then it will be decorated on the lathe. The back and forth motion of the bow causes the horizontal axis to spin fast in one direction, then in the other. The bone carver sets the pin in the headstock and sets it into motion. He carves the rounded decorations with a chisel.
Optime.
He uses dried horsetail stems for polishing. The bone carver gives a final polish with a cloth rag and a piece of leather.
Perfectum est.
The finished hairpin is ready to decorate the elaborate hairstyle of a beautiful lady.